What's the meaning of cloth? Cloth. Cloth.
Cloth. Cloth. Cloth refers to a material made by weaving fibers or threads together. It can be made from natural fibers such as cotton, wool, and silk, or synthetic materials like polyester. Cloth is commonly used to make clothing, household items like towels and bedding, and industrial products like filters and conveyor belts. It comes in a wide variety of colors, textures, and patterns, and can be treated with different finishes to enhance its properties. Overall, cloth is a versatile and essential material that plays a vital role in our daily lives.